Okay, hello everyone. This is Mehtab, and this is a live stream on me solving some practice models from TTT website. So, in order to access these models, you have to go to this website called tutortoby.com, and from here you can just play and learn and access this practice models library. So, for today's video, we are only gonna be doing some tier 4 models. My goal for today is approximately something like 10 models, 15 models. Okay, let's choose tier 4, and I have the premium model subscription, so I can access the premium models. If you are a free user, you will not get to access these models. Okay, let's start with the first tier 4 model. And throughout this live stream, I'll be showing you some tips and tricks on how my thought process is and how I tend to approach these models. These are kind of easy, tier 4, so nothing complicated. Oh, let's start with this one. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is grab a screen capture. When we are I'll use Snip and Sketch to grab the screen capture, and there I have it in my second monitor, and there I can see my drawings and dimensions and units, materials, everything. Okay, first thing I always do is check the units and the material and set this from my template. I have MMGS 1060. Alright, so this one is pretty simple. Okay, let's check the drawing first. This one, my approach should be in the front plane. There are a lot of dimensions given here. We can draw a base of 118 by 16, and then this slotted shape, and then extrude it 54 mid plane as it is symmetrical. Then we can cut this portion right here, taking 14 from both sides. Also, we can cut this slot shape and this shape from the right plane, add these fillets and the counter bores, and done. Let's start with the front plane and draw a rectangle 16 by 118 and a slot. Let's make this point coincident with the origin. I have a shortcut set up, the hotkey for coincident relationship. So the radius is 27.5 and the height is 42. Now we'll extrude. We'll extrude some contours, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and go mid plane 54. There we have it. Now we can add a fillet here of radius 12 and cut from the right plane. This one goes 14 and this one also 14. As this will be through all cut, we can also include this portion right here. We'll mirror it using construction line, at the height to be 8, the angle to be 60 degrees, and from this endpoint it should be 16 millimeters off. Now we'll go cut extrude, right click edge for through all. This doesn't work here as we are sketching on a plane and there's nothing on that side. We can go both directions. We'll go one direction and cut. There we go. Now we will add the top slot shape, sketch on this face, add a slot just like this. Now apply proper dimensions to make it fully defined. 9 here, 99 full length, hit shift to go from tangency to tangency, and last thing we need is the radius, which is 16 dia. So now we'll cut it through all both directions, no issues here. We can add the counter bore now. S key hole wizard, hole type should be counter bore, up to all end conditions, show custom sizing, and in the print it's given 30 38 4. There we go, and position it here. Okay, up to next was correct. I think through all is not correct here, so we'll go type up to next from here. and then we'll mirror this whole wizard feature across the right plane, the front plane. Just mirror it like this, and we're almost done. We just need to add the fillets. So here we can choose this option. No, we cannot. To manually select these four edges and turn off the tangent propagation for only getting this line filleted. Oh, we didn't set the radius. The radius is 6. Okay, done. Let's check the mouse and input 309.23. Let's copy it, paste it right here. Let's go, it's correct. Okay, I hope. For me 33, it's good, it's good, not bad. Anything under 5 minutes for tier 4 models is fine, I think. Okay, let's go for the next model. I think I should always keep a website that will display the models and then open the drawings in new tabs. Yeah. All right. Okay. Now we will solve the next model. This one. Let's check this one out. Okay, I've finished this before in 2 minutes 11 seconds, but now my target is ah, I just want to solve it. There's no time. I'm not spin modeling or something. I'm just solving them. So let's reveal the drawing and take a screen capture. Oh, Ace is here. Let's go, Atse. What's up? I'm solving tier 4 models today only. Let me see some set up my overlay so I can see the chat as well. Atse might give me something, some tips. All right, we have it set up now. Okay, this one is easy. There is a curved face at the bottom, so we need to be careful with it. In the front plane, we'll sketch a lot of stuffs. Maybe everything in the front plane except these holes. We can sketch it and write this on one fillet here. Pretty easy. But the holes need to be correctly positioned as the curved face accounts for the I1 exploit. Bad tips? Oh, no, no, no. Your tips are awesome, man. I already solved this model. Now it's the second model for today. Okay, the units are MMGS, ABS. Let's go the front plane. We can auto dimension a lot of stuffs here. 55, 20, go down, go right, 9 here, and a 3-point arc. Connected. Radius is 560. Oh my god, what happened here? This one is 9. Okay, this one is horizontal with the origin. Yeah. Okay, this is 560, but this is not fully defined. Let me check. My length is missing. It's 155. We can also sketch a lot of stuffs here. That part, this coincides. Okay, this one looks to be horizontal. This one has a length of 15, and this is going down at a 10. Okay, fully defined. I don't think we need anything else. Let's extrude this contour. Hold Alt and select this contour and extrude it in this direction. There is no symmetry, so we can extrude in one direction, 60 millimeters, and then we can take to the sketch again, hit extrude, and this one should go 7 millimeters. Let's add the fillet of radius 16. One hole here, simple hole. No, not simple. It's a counter hole of 26, 34, and 6. Position it here. This does not need to be correct, but we will do it anyways. There's a rectangle of 22, 30. Why do I hold Alt? I'll show you. Ace. Make this coincident and hit OK. Okay, so in any sketch, if there are multiple contours, you can hold Alt to select any contour. Yeah, before going to extrude. That's it. Okay, now the next hole wizards. 20, 30, and depth is, oh no, sorry. Okay, this one is reversed hole. Okay, so we'll do without a hole wizard. 20 through here should be 60, and here it should be 20 again. From the bottom edge it's 20, and from this right edge it's 40. We will cut this one 5, and then those bigger holes are concentric, which will go through all 30. Now we'll go through all. There we have it, the reversed hole. Now we can check the mass. 170.25. Okay, less than 5 minutes. I'll take it. Let's go. Now the next one is a sheet metal model. Always Atse is here. You can probably assist me on the sheet metal. All right, fairly simple. On the right plane, I'll start in the right plane. 105, 100, and do this one, and then make this flange 2 sides, and then this one, this one. I can draw half of this, but mm, I think I'll do full. I'll do full. Images ABS. Oh wait, let me take a screen capture. You can still use wizard, just to make the lower radius smaller. Wow. Wait, I have to test it. Change the sketch dimension. Oh yeah, I had to edit the whole wizard sketches, I'm bad at it, really bad. I liked my approach though. Draw 25, and then from that face make some concentric circles, and then through all cuts. Not bad, huh? Okay, let's do this sheet metal. Height is 105, 30. Make this 2 for construction, and make it sheet metal model. Base flange should be mid plane. Okay, we can go 100, and then add the correct parameters for this one, 3 and 5. Make sure the direction is correct. Yeah, now we will draw 2 flanges sticking out. Material should be outside. Length is 100. Add this one as well. Cut it. Now this 2 also remaining from here. Okay, this one is not outside but inside material. Or is it outside? Yes, it is outside. The length is given as 35. And then we'll edit the flange profile. It is 50. Go back, make sure everything's correct, hit OK. Let's add some. Okay, let's just mirror it. Cut this from the right plane. This goes 12, connects here. Convert this one. The angle is 37 degrees. We can add the fillet in as a feature. Let's choose this contour, cut it through all. Right click and H to cut through all. Add these fillets, 30 radius. Okay, there are 6 fillets, right? Of 7 radius. So you can do this using break corner, 7 radius. Here, here, here. Choose the faces and done. Some holes and we are done with the model. One hole, 12. Let's mirror it and add the dimensions. 70, 27 from the bottom. Cut it, link to thickness. This one here. From the top it's 50. We got the center of our circle, 82 through. Cut it, link to thickness is checked. And there we go. I think we are done. Let's check the mass, 76.5. Again, less than 5 minutes. Oh, we are not correct here. What did we miss? Okay. I think the height is not correct. It's 105. This one should be 100 from here to here. It is 100. We are not missing any fillets. 8. Okay. This should be 8. This is 8. Are the parameters correct? 5, 3. Oh, wall thickness is 3 and radius is 5. Oh, yeah, it was correct. It was correct. Sorry. This one is 82. Are we in the correct? Oh, we are not in the correct material. It's plain carbon steel. 585. Okay, the material was wrong. The model was correct. No worries, no worries. Next up, a machine part. This one looks easy. Let's go. It's kind of hard to talk in split model, you know. Check the flash direction. Yeah, flash direction was correct. The material was wrong. Let's go for this one. Pretty simple. Front plane stuffs. Front plane. Draw everything. That we got this that face. We'll just draw this tombstone shape. Extrude it up. This slotted cut. Some holes. A counterbore hole, and we're done. Let's begin. Control N. MMGS. Okay. We always forget to take a screen capture. Screen capture done. Let's go with MMGS ABS. Front plane, draw everything. 65, 135. Cut it like this. Draw something like this. We got a contour. Should be 15 degrees. 12 thickness. And this is 25. We got a contour. Hold Alt, right click and I. We can go right click and press I to go mid plane. 85. Enter. Add the 2 fillets because I always forget the fillets, and that's why I always add them first from now. Okay, so from here let's go 77. and draw our circle of 77 times 2. Oh, I think we did a mistake. The fillets will go later. Let's go here and we can flip side to cut for this one. And now we add these fillets. It would show us an error, but we can fix it. Clear the selections and choose this one and this one. The slot, we can draw the tombstone as a slot, connect these 2 points, convert this one so that we can find the center point and make these two coincident. 26 radius, and it's fully defined. Choose this contour, extrude it up 9 millimeters, give the counter hole is 15/30/12, position it at the center, go here, draw a slot, 15 radius, 20 slot length. We can, okay, that's okay. Through all cut, and now more counter bar holes, 5 10 5. Position it here, draw a central line and mirror this one. Hole to hole length is 55, and from the top edge it's, oh no, 10 millimeters. Hit OK. There we go. Let's take the mouse, 204.02. 3 minutes 50 seconds. I'll take it. Submit it. Let's go next model. 4 models already done. It's the 5th model. Oh yeah, this one. I like this one. Excel support. Okay, again, everything front plane. Draw all of this in the front plane, even the ribs. Extrude it full length and cut the inside portions 54. This is some tab sticking up. Draw it in this face, stick it up, add the whole wizard. Pretty much done, right? Oh, take a screen capture first. Good work, champ. Thank you, Atse. I think you will be a champion this one. Let's go. I'm facing Ricardo Gini in the second round if I win. He's tough to beat, bro. Okay, just 1060. Front plane. Origin, I think let's choose the corner. Go here, cut these two. Circle 44 and 32. This and this are tangent. This one is 30. Connect it here. Let's do it using a rectangle and connect this one here. It's 10. Fully defined. This one is 8. Full length is 115. This one is 20. Fully defined everything. Let's cut this. I don't want issues with this. And make this 2 equal. I think we can even cut this, then this, and cut everything here. Oh no, we don't want to cut. Sorry, I don't want underdefined sketches. Okay, we are still left with the rib. Rib starts at 40 from here and goes up 35 degrees. Make the line for construction, it's faster. Oh yeah, yeah, I can. But in here, this one, yeah, this one's nice. Everything, one contour. Let's go. Make this coincident. Okay, now let's choose this contour. Right click midplane, 82. That rib section, extrude it midplane, 54 plus 12, and then that same section we can cut 54 midplane. There we have two ribs. Now fillets, 18 radius, 30 from the midpoint, circle of dia 40, extrude it 4, and whole wizard 20, 30, and depth is 8. Yeah, kinda hard to see in the drawing. I think it's done. 461.5. 4 minutes 34 seconds. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Let's go. Let's go, Atsa. Yeah, that was sick. I like this approach. I don't like to create planes for these ones. Where these are symmetric, we can just extrude it full length and cut the meat portion. Next one, next one. 5 models done. My target is 10 models for today. Tier 4. Oh, this one's sick. I don't know. I'm bad with revolves, man. I'm really bad with revolves, but I'll try. Less than 5 minutes for this one. Okay, so we need how many features for this one? The central spear is one feature. These two spears is one feature. I guess, yeah, one feature for this one feature for this one, and then we can mirror this to across. After adding the hole, or maybe we can add the hole later, then we can. Oh, this is not that hard. We can just do it easy, 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 easy. Let's go MGS PCS, front plane, circle, 30. Go here, cut this, choose this one, revolve it, again front plane. It goes 40 from the center, circle again, 20, connect it, cut it, choose this, revolve, front plane again. Okay, this one, how can I get the center? Yeah, go here and connect it. We'll revolve it now. Okay, this one's kind of tricky here. We need to drop some points on this one and this one. And now the points should be 9 here and 12 here. Fully defined. Why is it not fully defined? Can we make this concentric? Yeah. Now choose this axis, revolve it, mirror these two revolved features. Oh, what? Why can't I mirror this one? Only merging features may be patterned. Geometry pattern. Okay. Geometry pattern did the trick. Revolve works with contours. Revolve works with contours. Yeah, I would have revolved all three revolves in one feature. That's not possible, man. Is it possible with one feature? This one, and this one. Three features, right? One feature. Wait. Oh, oh, yeah. One feature works. I see. Let's try it. MGS PCS. That's actually smart, bro. Go here 30. Go here 40. Add 20. Something like this, I guess. Some points. I cannot add the point. Okay, there's a point now. 9 and 12. I think something like this, yeah. Okay, there are too many contours. Can we select all of this? Let's go try. Selected contours, this. Axis line, this. Okay, something's wrong. Thin feature. Oh yeah, that's so nice. Wow. Now we can mirror this body. Awesome. I liked it, thanks. You don't need points. Make simply one line. How? One line how? Oh. I'm so bad. Sorry. Yeah. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Okay, now we can cut some stuffs. 27. 6 dia. Hmm. I think we can do it with a sweep cut because the dimension is kind of weird. The dimension is given from here. We can do a sweep cut here. Where is sweep cut? No, we cannot sweep cut before exiting the sketch. That's kind of weird. Circular profile. 6. Done. Right plane. The key is left 10. The rectangle here. 4, 12 goes 19. All right, pretty smooth. Thanks. I'd say for the tip. 175. Clean. Or reverse cut. Yeah, reverse cut. I need to close some of these documents. The computer is feeling a bit laggy. Okay, sir. You can go. Thank you for joining. Love you. Next one. Hmm. 6 models done. Okay, this one's kind of easy. But this arc work is kind of hard. There are some arcs here. We need to be careful with them. MMGS 1060. Okay, there are a lot of. We can do it using revolve, but I'll just keep it simple and draw some extrudes. Circles and extrude them. 195 goes up 15. 160 here goes up 25 with a drafted angle 28 by 2, which is 14 degrees. Yeah. Now 40 goes up 90 from the top plane. 40 circle goes up 95. Then we need to sketch this part right here, the trickiest part. I believe this one is something like this. Let's mirror all of this. Now let's mirror this chain across this line. And this is kind of weird. I'll just connect them and make him tangent. All right, this is 69. 95 center to center. Radius 17. And this one is 50. Let's go. We're gonna extrude it up. 60 minus 40 is 20. Add 4 fillets. This one, and this one. 13 radius. And 3 through all holes. Oh wait, I think we missed something. Okay, we didn't miss. It's simply 144 goes up 25 with a drafted angle of 14 degrees. Now sketch here. 25. 15 two places. Cut it through all both directions. Check the mass. 1775. 3 minutes 7 seconds. I'll take it. Okay, next one. Pretty smooth. This one went pretty smooth. The next one, let's try. Wing fitting. Rebuild the drawing. Take a screen capture real quick. Material MMGS ABS. Just obvious, draw everything in the front plane. Pretty simple prismatic shape, 50 by 155. Go here, cut these two dimensions. This one is 20, this one is 6. Let's go here and something like this. Make it horizontal. This one's 8. Pretty similar to the one we did before. This one's 19 degrees. And this one's 11. Okay, this is 4 automatically. I think this is not coincident. Horizontal. This is 4. Now select this contour, right click midplane, 58. This one goes same. And we cut it 50. Full round fillets. We could have added 4 fillets, but just for the sake of using full round fillets, let's do this. Wow, it was so satisfying. Let's add these 2 fillets here. Fillet, just a fillet type. 8. Whole wizard. 26, 32, 10. Here from the top, 24. Cut it. Here draw a slot. From here, 28. Starting point. Draw a slot like this. 20 upper slot, which means 10 radius. And this is 57. Goes down 4 millimeter. Then using the same slot, I guess we can go 8 through, fully define it and cut it using contour selection through all. 111.06. Correct. Next one, 7 models done, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7 8. Okay, 2 models left for today. This one, let's go. Interlock. I did this one before, I know how to do it. We can do circular pattern creating an axis after creating one portion. There are some drafted angles we need to worry about though. Let's go MGS PCS. Go in the front plane. Draw something like an L shape, I guess. I'm gonna create it enough inside the sketch. Sorry. Cut it 6 degrees. Draft 42/2, which is 21. Okay. My bad. Yeah, control doesn't work in this keyboard, bro. 8. The height 37. And this one's 8. Right click mid plane. 65. Now go here. Okay. This is interesting, huh? An arc, go tangent, something like this. Make this tangent. Radius 15. I don't know. Maybe this is coincident here. Otherwise, I don't see anything that defines it. Yeah. Let's select contours. This one and this one. Through all cut. 10, 15, 3 counter bore. And rectangle, we can draw rectangle here. 8. And from this center, it's 32. Cut it through all. Now we can mirror this body, sorry, circular pattern, this body, creating a plane here, sorry, axis, and circular patterning this body across this axis, two instances. Okay, we could have merged. No, we cannot merge inside the pattern. We have to go here and combine. Okay, looks good. 286. Not bad. 423. Okay, this is the final model for today. The 10th model. Let's try again. Corner try. This one's pretty simple. Everything has uniform thickness, so nothing to worry about. Draw everything in the front plane. Just need to deal with this cut, some holes, and we're done. Okay, let's go new part, MGS PCS. The clock is running. Let's go in the front plane, draw an L shape, trim it here, perpendicular line, connect it, trim it. Yeah, we can trim it, make it vertical. Let's do overall lens first. 114. 45 degrees. 16. 69. This one. This is 10. And the height is 69 from the top. Hey Monty, thanks. Thumbs up. Oh yeah. 7. Fully defined. Now we can extrude it. Right click mid plane. 69 millimeters. Add these two fillets right here. 14 radius. Add the two counter bores. Simple stuffs first, yeah. 6, 13, 4. Go position it here and here. concentric, wake the center points up. Now go here, draw something like this, make a center line, make it vertical, and mirror this to this entity with this center line. Connect these 2 points and make this one tangent with this. I think the radius is given 13. Cut it, select the contours, this one and this one, right click, sorry, through all. Yeah, now we can make a full round here. Nice. Let's add a fillet here. 26. A hole here. 10. Cut it through all. And okay. 42 counter bore goes. 3. And the through all cut is 26. It's done. Let's check the mass. 922. Okay, so done. 10 models done. Everything, I think, except that one revolved part went pretty smooth. Any tips for improving modeling speed? Yeah, Monty. Mm, First things first, you need to have a game plan started. Yeah, for any model, you have to choose correct origin, what features you're gonna use, and for speed, I think you have to use hotkeys, S key. Yeah, do you use S keys? S key is pretty helpful while sketching. For example, if I'm sketching and I go here every time, my time is wasted, right? But instead, if I have some everything on the S key, I can access it really easily, right? For example, if I want a rectangle, I go S key and click here, draw the rectangle. Now if I want a circle, I go S key, go circle, and draw the circle. And for smart dimension, we can go here, but I have set the D key as smart dimension. So whenever I press D on my keyboard, I go to the smart dimension command and I can dimension it very easily from here. Also, I have set relations as hotkeys like coincident. So if I want a point to be coincident with something, I choose those two entities using control and just press that hotkey B on my keyboard and it makes it coincident. So these are some little time saving shortcuts you may use to improve your modeling speed. For today, I'm done. I have done 10 models, tier 4. Thank you for joining in, Monty. Okay, I'll end the stream right here. Thank you for Thank you to anyone who watched Atse Monty, and anyone who didn't chat but watched, and anyone who will be watching it later. Thank you for watching my videos.